Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to get captions on TikTok. Adding captions on TikTok on Android helps viewers understand your videos more clearly, especially when watching without sound. TikTok includes an automatic caption feature that converts spoken audio into subtitles. You can also edit the captions manually before posting to improve accuracy and timing. To begin, open the TikTok app on your Android device and sign in to your account. Tap the plus button at the bottom center of the screen to create a video. Record a new video or upload an existing video from your Android gallery. Tap the red check mark after finishing the recording. Wait for the editing screen to load completely. Look for the captions option on the right side editing toolbar, then tap captions to allow TikTok to automatically generate subtitles from the spoken audio. Wait while TikTok processes the voice, audio, and creates captions. Then review the generated captions carefully for spelling, timing, or punctuation mistakes. Tap on any caption section to manually edit incorrect words or phrases. Save the edited captions after finishing your corrections. Continue editing your video with filters, effects, music, or text if desired. Tap the arrow to the right to move the posting screen and adjust your privacy or sharing settings. Pause the video and watch it afterward to confirm the captions display correctly during playback. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.